NEP 2020 Actionable Points Part 1. The aim must be for India to have an education system by 2040 that is second to none. With equitable access to the highest quality education for all learners regardless of social or economic background. For the purpose of developing holistic individuals, it is essential that an identified set of skills and values will be incorporated at each stage of learning, from preschool to higher education. To end the fragmentation of higher education system by transforming HACE into multidisciplinary universities. A stage-wise mechanism for granting graded autonomy to colleges through a transparent system of graded accreditation. Establishing/transforming at least one HE into large multidisciplinary HEI in or near every district. Capacity creation. Medium of instruction in local/Indian languages/bilingually. A fair and transparent system of determining increased funding support for public HACE. Institutions accredited for oral will be encouraged to develop high-quality online courses. Single-stream HACE will be phased out, and all will move towards becoming vibrant multidisciplinary institutions or parts of vibrant multidisciplinary HACE clusters. A concerted national effort including suitable mentoring and governmental support. The overall higher education sector will aim to be an integrated higher education system, including professional and vocational education. Complex nomenclature of HACE shall be simply replaced by university on fulfilling the criteria as per norms. Imaginative and flexible curricular structures will enable creative combinations of disciplines for study and would offer multiple entry and exit points. Innovative curricula of all HACE shall include credit-based courses and projects in the areas of community engagement and service, environmental education, and value-based education. Students at all HACE will be provided with opportunities for internship with local industry, business, artists, craftspersons, etc. as well as research internships with faculty and researchers. An Academic Bank of Credit (ABC) will digitally store academic credits from approved HACE to grant degrees based on credits earned. Model public universities for holistic and multidisciplinary education, at par with its EAMS, etc., called MARIS, Multidisciplinary Education and Research Universities, will be set up. Model public universities and will aim to attain the highest global standards in quality education. HACE will focus on research and innovation. For this, HACE will be setting up startup incubation centers, technology development centers, centers in frontier areas of research, greater industry academic linkages, and interdisciplinary research. Thesis setups will also include humanities and social sciences research. Institutions and faculty will have the autonomy to innovate on matters of curriculum, pedagogy, and assessment within a broad framework of higher education qualifications. All programs, courses, curricula, and pedagogy across subjects, including those in class, online, and in oral modes as well as student support will aim to achieve global standards of quality. India will be promoted as a global study destination providing premium education at affordable costs. Vibrant campus life is essential for high-quality teaching learning process. Financial assistance to students shall be made available through various measures. Initiatives to achieve the best, motivated, and capable faculty in HACE. Teaching duties also will not be excessive and student-teacher ratios not too high. Empowering the faculty to conduct innovative teaching, research, and service. Incentivizing the excellence of faculty. A clearly defined, independent, and transparent processes and criteria for faulty recruitment. There shall be a fast-track promotion system for recognizing high-impact research and contribution. Excellent faculty with high academic and service credentials as well as demonstrated leadership and management skills will be identified early and trained through a ladder of leadership positions. Ensuring equitable access to quality education to all students, with a special emphasis on SEDS. All multidisciplinary universities and colleges will aim to establish education departments, will also run B.Ed. programs in collaboration with other departments. The 4-year integrated B.Ed offered by such multidisciplinary HACE will, by 2030, become the minimal degree qualification for school teachers. Uniform standards for teacher education. Scholarships for meritorious students will be established to attract outstanding candidates to the 4-year, 2-year, and 1-year B.Ed programs. Departments of education will necessarily aim to be diverse but teaching/field/research experience will be highly valued. In-service continuous professional development for college and university teachers will be strengthened. All new PhD students must take credit-based courses in teaching/education/pedagogy/writing relating to their PhD subject. This policy aims to overcome the social status hierarchy associated with vocational education. The MHRD reporting National Commission for the Integration of Vocational Education (NCIV) will include of vocational education experts, ministry officials, and business leaders. The National Skills Qualifications Framework will be detailed further. Policy envisions a comprehensive approach to transforming the quality and quantity of research in India. Establishing National Research Foundation (NRF). Transforming the regulatory system of higher education. Extensive use of technology in regulation. Setting up new quality HACE will also be made far easier by the regulatory regime. Curbing commercialization of education. All HACE, public and private, shall be treated on par within this regulatory regime. All HACE in India would strive to become independent, self-governing institutions that pursue innovation and quality through a proper system of graded accreditation and graded autonomy over 15 years. Each institution will create a strategic institutional development plan to launch initiatives, analyze their progress, and meet goals that could lead to public support. Agricultural education with allied disciplines will be revived. Professional education should not take place in the isolation of one specialty. To set up agricultural technology parks to promote technology incubation and dissemination and promote sustainable methodologies. Legal education needs to be competitive globally, adopting best practices and embracing new technologies for wider access to and timely delivery of justice. Healthcare education needs to be re-envisioned so that the duration, structure, and design of the educational programs need to match the role requirements that graduates will play. Strong and innovative government initiatives for adult education. Adult education curriculum framework will be developed by a new and well-supported constituent body of the NCERT that is dedicated to adult education. Suitable infrastructure will be ensured so that all interested adults will have access to adult education and lifelong learning. Training of instructors/educators of adult education.